Here's a trick that will cut 6 months out of your career change after 40. So last week, I met Sarah. She's 45, worked in sales for 20 years, and she was terrified. Her company just announced they're going all digital. She thought she'd need years to catch up. But here's what's crazy. She didn't start with complicated courses or technical bootcamps like most people do. Instead, she used what I call the experience bridge method. Here's how it works. Instead of learning digital marketing from scratch, she mapped her existing sales skills to digital tools. Her phone conversations became email campaigns, her face-to-face presentations became social media posts, her networking events became online communities. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that she started seeing results in week 1, not month 6, week 1. Within 30 days, she was running Facebook ads for her company. By day 60, she was leading their entire digital strategy. And by day 90, she got promoted to digital marketing director with a $25,000 raise. Think about it. Most people over 40 try to learn digital marketing, like they're 22-year-old college students. They start from zero and ignore 20 plus years of business experience. But here's the truth. Your experience isn't a disadvantage. It's your secret weapon. You already understand customers. You know how to sell. You've built relationships for decades. The only thing missing? Someone to show you how to translate those skills into the digital world. And once you see that connection, everything clicks. By 2025 and beyond, every job will require digital skills. The question isn't if you need to learn this stuff. The question is, will you learn it the hard way or the smart way? Want help making this shift? I built Digital Marketing Breakthrough 40 Plus for people just like you. It's step-by-step beginner-friendly and gets you results faster than figuring it out alone. There is a link in the description to a free resource. You can start today.